In this fast-paced world, it's easy to lose touch with nature, but it's crucial that our children learn to live in harmony with the environment around them. As adults, we must give them the space to explore and learn, trusting in their abilities every step of the way. Me and my daughter Freya gather tinder and ignite a fire using a flint and steel. It's not just about survival skills. It's about fostering a deep connection with the world around us. As we continue our woodland adventure, now gathered around the fire we've just kindled, you'll witness me preparing a hearty goulash in a traditional potjie. At White Truck Expedition, we hold a deep appreciation for the timeless techniques of outdoor cooking. We carefully select fresh, wholesome ingredients because, in the great outdoors, a nourishing meal isn't just sustenance, it's a cornerstone of camaraderie and comfort. In the glow of our campfire, generations gather, weaving tales that echo through time. Here, amidst laughter and flickering flames, bonds are forged that hold families together. As children roast their meat and elders share wisdom, we're reminded of the strength found in unity. These moments, under the stars, teach us the value of community and the power of shared experiences. With each crackle of the fire, we're bound closer, knowing that around this flame, we are home.